All right, Science 10s. I've got a quick video key that I'm going to send out for you all. This is page C28. I'm going to do some selected questions from C28, C29, C30, and C31. So here we go. I'm going to move pretty quick, not much for explanations. Moving on to number 4. And 6. And 8. And 9. 10. And 12. Moving on down here. There you go. I'm going to go through 19 through 24 here. So number 19, we have sodium hydrogen carbonate. Some, just so you know, some periodic tables or tables of polyatomic ions will eliminate this space right here. And older ones will call this sodium bicarbonate. You might also know the same product as baking soda. Anyways, moving on. Beryllium hydroxide. Barium phosphate. Ammonium fluoride. Lithium acetate, and sodium nitrate. All right. If you check these ones over and go, ooh, I'm not getting any of these, that's a great sign that you should be checking in with me and we can talk about these. If you're doing fairly well on most of them and just forgetting brackets or something like that, learn from your mistakes, check in anyways. But also a great idea, talk to your classmates. Go through your processes together. Not so much, here's the answer, talk about your process. All right, I am not going to go through every single one of these just because they are long to write. And I am going to write my answers on the right-hand side for the names instead of in these spots here. So here we go. If we look at number 1, which is that, sorry. This is magnesium sulfate. Heptahydrates. Hepta is our prefix for 7, also known as Epsom salts. Sodium carbonate decahydrate. This is going to be, well, let's hit the right button, that would help too. Try again. Na2CO3.10 H2Os. All right, number 3 here, we've got magnesium chloride hexahydrate. That was fun. There we go. Barium chloride dihydrate. It's going to be BaCl2.2H2Os. Then the next two I'll just read. Cadmium nitrate tetrahydrate. So again, you're using tetra there. Zinc chloride hexahydrate. Zinc sulfate heptahydrate, ZnSO4.7H2O. Lithium chloride tetrahydrate, it's going to be LiCl.4H2O. That should be enough to keep you going on those ones and make sure you're on the right track. Moving on, this is going to be page C30. This page is basically a whole bunch of different ones. Some with Roman numerals, some without Roman numerals. This is sort of like real life as a chemistry student. You're not going to have them all nicely classified for you. You got to figure it out. So let's get at them. Maybe. There we go. Right, so the very first one there we're going to have is going to be strontium chloride. Interesting. Second one will be rubidium bromide. Sodium oxide. Sulfide. Zinc chloride. That's a ZnCl2. Sorry, my computer's being silly here. We've got magnesium iodide. And then we've got cobalt Roman numeral 2 chloride. And it's a Roman numeral 2 because cobalt could have a 3+ charge as well. We've got titanium Roman numeral 4 oxide. Here we have copper Roman numeral 1 oxide. Tin 2 sulfide is just going to be SNS. Chromium 3 oxide is going to be Cr2O3. Iron 2 sulfide is just FeS. Here we've got potassium benzoate. Here we've got sodium sulfite. Nope. Let's try that again. That's going to be thiosulfite. Thiosulfate. I'm going to write it the right way. Got it. And then we've got ammonium hydrogen carbonate. And here we have NH4 in brackets twice S. We've got barium sulfite. That's BaSO3. Magnesium hydroxide would be MgOH2 in brackets. Then we've got iron, Roman numeral 2, sulfate, heptahydrate. Lithium chloride tetrahydrate. Number 21 is going to be Na2 let's look at number 24. I'll leave the last few of them here. Lead 2 acetate -3 water. This bit here is just another way of saying instead of trihydrate, you can go that route as well. It's a little bit older one, but it is the same idea. So this will be PbCH3COO, two of those guys, dot 3H2Os. All right, and moving along. Page C31. These ones here, I'm not going to go through all of them. There's a lot here to practice with. If I had to recommend something to you, you're looking at this going, there's so many. If you're struggling with them, do them all. Especially if the struggle is not the overall concept, but if the struggle is, I can't find these silly things on the periodic table and I just get frustrated, do them. There's lots of repetition, and so that's going to help you find them. It also just keeps you looking at your periodic table. That's going to be the best way for you to do good at these and to get good at these. There is no way to do this without practice. Right, so we've got cadmium hydroxide is CdOH 2 times. Cadmium phosphate, Cd3PO4 2 times. Aluminum nitrate, Al and then NO3 in brackets 3 times. Aluminum sulfide, Al2S3. We've got a bunch of iron-containing creatures here. So we first of all have FeO, or iron 2 hydroxide, or iron 2 oxide, my apologies. Iron 2 carbonate, FeCO3, sorry. Iron 2 phosphate, Fe2PO4 in brackets. That's not right. Let's try that again. Try that again. Iron 2 phosphate is going to have 3 irons because each of them is 2 plus, so that gives me a total of 6 pluses. PO4 2 times because each of them is a 3 minus. Let's compare that to iron 3 phosphate. Phosphate is 3 minus, iron is 3 plus. This is easier to write. Lovely. Mercury 2 carbonate is just going to be HgCO3. Mercury 2 bromide is going to be HgBr2. All right. I'm going to let you just listen, so this will be an audio key. Working my way down. Oops, slow down. Starting here. Cadmium bromide. Cadmium nitrate. Cadmium sulfite. Cadmium sulfide. Aluminum chloride. Aluminum hydroxide. Aluminum sulfate. Aluminum phosphate. Iron Roman numeral 2 bromide. Iron 2 nitrate. Iron 2 sulfite. Iron 2 sulfide. Iron 3 chloride. Iron 3 nitrate. Iron 3 sulfide. Mercury 2 chloride. Mercury 2 nitrate. Mercury 2 sulfate.